If you happen to be in the sales industry, you should know this by now. There is what we call as the triumvirate of customer recommendation. It's the triangle. You always need to be ready to answer the question, what is the best seller or the most popular? Which one is the most cost effective? So someone will always ask, if I'm under a budget, which one do you recommend? If I'm a family of 5, which one do you think is the sulit or the most valuable package? And then number 3, what's the non-negotiable feature? An example of that in restaurants would be, what is that one thing that I should not miss out eating in this restaurant, right? And the reason for that is customers many times don't like the burden of having to choose. It stresses them out. It makes them feel that if they make the wrong decision, they will regret it. So when someone instead recommends an option, they feel better because they know that this is a trusted option that was done by many and hundreds of other customers in the past. You'll likely get a yes. You'll likely make a decision. You might be asking, John, why are you so obsessed about decision? Why are we hurrying up the customer? Technically, I don't want to use the word hurry up in front of the customer. But of course, at the back of our mind, we want the fastest decision done. Yes? And the reason for that is simple. A decision that is delayed day by day is a decision that likely will not happen. Can I get an exclamation mark? That is scientifically proven. The more you delay the decision, the more you give a window for the person to think about it, and eventually it might change their minds. Especially when they were already about to purchase the product inside the store. The faster you make them do the decision, the more it can be an impulse decision that is in favor of your sales.